Cow's face pose or Gomukhasana. The Sanskrit word Gomukhasana literally translates into cow face pose. Go means cow, mukha means face, asana means pose. In this pose, the knees looks like the mouth of the cow and the arms, one up and one down, looks like ears of a cow. This pose helps stretch the arms, triceps, shoulders, and chest. When sit erectly, it also enhances one's posture. Begin in Dandasana. Inhale, bend your knees and draw your thighs to the chest. Exhale, external rotate the right hip and place the right heel at the side of the left buttock. Bring your left leg across your right knee. To stack the left knee on top of the right knee, walk the left away from the right knee and slowly sit onto the hips. Adjust the hips nicely to keep the hips even. Make sure that the left knee is above the right and both are parallel to each other. Press the outer edges of the feet into the mat to stabilize the legs. Inhale, raise your arms to the sides of the head to elongate the spine. Exhale, bend the elbows and pull the right elbow with the left hand to bring the right arm close towards the back of the head. The right elbow is facing upwards and hand is touching the back, palm facing inwards. Inhale, lower the left arm at shoulder level. Exhale, internally rotate the shoulder and bend the elbow. Draw the hand behind of the spine. Your left elbow is facing downwards and the hand is touching the back, palm facing outwards. Now in the same position, clasp the fingers of both hands together behind the back. Gently press the back of the head into the upper arm. This will keep the chest lifted and the head upright. Engage the abdominals to prevent the lower back from overarching and helps to keep the sitting bones grounded. All the fingers are hooked and the palms are drawn close to each other. The stretch can be felt at the right upper arm tricep and the left upper arm bicep. Now, close your eyes and take deep breaths. This will regulate the flow of prana throughout the body. Hold the position for 1 minute. To release, reverse the order of movement. Then repeat the whole process for the other side.